What's the time, Ella?
It is 10:21.
Thank you.
Sorry, I'm not sure what you mean. You can ask me.
I said thank you.
Sorry, I'm not sure what you mean. You can ask me.
Hello guys, welcome to Megalight channel, and for this video I want to talk about the Camon 18 Premier, which is the best phone from Tecno so far. The phone by far dey more advanced past every other phones when Tecno don release. The camera of the phone na bomb, the design na classic, the processor na the latest, the storage capacity na blast, and Ella, the new personal assistant when follow the phone come, na the first of her kind. Check this one out.
How old are you?
It's a girl's secret.
This assistant na the first when Tecno ever build inside their phone. And though they still get big work to do before this personal assistant take shape, you fit use them for now, perform new basic tasks like turn on flashlight and open apps.
Turn on flashlight.
Flashlight is on.
Turn off flashlight.
Flashlight is on.
Open
Sometimes
display.
Ella just dey crazy, and sometimes it is stupid.
Thank you.
Sorry, I'm not sure what you mean. You can ask me.
I said thank you.
Sorry, I'm not sure what you mean. You can ask me.
But the fact say Camon 18 Premier get Ella first before Infinix, Itel and other major competitors for Africa make this one record breaking. Ella no fit compete with Google Assistant for now, but na just the start. Inside the box of the phone really dey simple. The phone come with the quick specification when cover almost every details about the phone. Them include the stabilized gimbal camera, 60x hyper zoom, 64 megapixel pro portrait camera with 6.7-inch dot-in HD Plus AMOLED display at 120 Hz refresh rate, 33 watt fast charger with 4750 mAh battery capacity, and Helio G96 CPU plus 256 gig ROM with 8 gig RAM. Now almost all the specification about the phone dey here. Next inside the box, now the transparent flexible plastic pouch. Tecno put much effort here, and the pouch fits the phone well. It make the phone feel comfortable and retain its design since it is transparent. Next, now the charger, then the USB-C cable, the earpiece, and finally the SIM injector. The right side of the phone carry the volume and power button. The power button dey function as the fingerprint sensor too. Top of the phone carry one microphone. The left side carry the SIM house, while the bottom carry speakers, another microphone, charging port, and audio jack. The back of the phone only carry the cameras and the flashlight. Okay, take time check if you don't subscribe to this channel, and if you never subscribe, hit that subscribe button now. I go appreciate am if you like this video and tell me wetin dey for your mind for the comment section for bottom. The phone get exactly the same design pattern as the other phones when dey for the Camon 18 series. That is 18P, 18 and 18i. Their volume buttons dey for the same place. Their SIM house dey for the same place, and their charging port with speakers dey the bottom. The only one wey get small difference na the Camon 18i. E get im own fingerprint sensor for back, and in front camera position dey different from the others. See the link to the comparison video when I do few days ago to the Camon 18 Premier versus Camon 18P versus Camon 18 and versus Camon 18i for top of the screen now, or go bottom of this video for the description section to find the link too. The design of the 18 Premier na one of a kind. From top to bottom na good finishing. The display dey awesome with the HD Plus AMOLED display. With im 120 Hz refresh rate, it dey respond fast to touch. And even with tons of high-end games, I no sure say the phone performance go reduce. After all, e get 8 gig RAM and it run on the latest Mediatek processor Helio G96. The price of the phone na 180,000 naira, but one guy from Kenya say he buy him own for 21,000 shillings. So if you dey for Kenya and you dey watch this video now, you fit help us to verify this price. The audio quality of this phone makes sense. Before now, I dey complain about Tecno phone's audio quality, especially if you dey play sounds when you record with the phone. But this phone speaker fixed the problem. See one of the audio record when I do with the phone. Hello, testing the microphone. I want test the microphone of the Tecno Camon 18 Premier, and I want test how sensitive the microphone be and how loud and clear the speaker be. So I go stop the record now and play again. Hello, testing the microphone. I want test the microphone of the Tecno Camon 18 Premier, and I want test how sensitive the microphone be and how loud and clear the speaker be. So I will stop the record now and play again. Here you find out say the sound dey clear and the speaker loud too. The phone dey support FM radio, but e no dey work without earpiece. E dey support 4G for fast browsing, but e no dey support 5G network. The Android version when e dey run on na Android 11 with HIOS version 8.0. The notification push-down menu dey different from the quick setting menu. To access notification, you go need to pull down from the left side of the screen, while the right side of the screen go take you to the quick settings. This new upgrade dey different from other HIOS version, when go allow you to access your quick settings after you pull down the notification menu twice. These quick settings get a whole new upgrade, and I must confess say I like this one past the previous one. It feels more icon-rich and convenient to use. Apart from Ella, another thing wey make this phone stand out na the camera. The zooming and the hyper zooming dey burst my head. Then thinking about how clear and stable in picture dey just dey so surprising. Imagine zooming on this school when dey far from me, and where this zooming for end now, na there the hyper zoom for start. So you fit use this camera zoom the moon and make am feel close to you, just as Tecno actually advertise. The back camera dey take stable clear pictures and videos with great sound quality. This one na new channel when start few months ago, and na the best camera phone when I don review so far be this. If the back camera dey stable, what about the front camera? For this instance, I video myself with the selfie camera as I dey climb up these stairs. While the stability no fit compare with the back camera, you fit tell from this video say the front camera still get small stability. The only negative side here be say I notice say the front camera no dey too perform well for low light. Hey, hello, this one the Tecno Camon 18 Premier. I try climb up stairs right now to see if the front camera go dey stable or not. So the Camon 18 Premier good for the price of 180k. The truth be say, I no get the answer. I just no know wetin to talk. Maybe if Ella no come with the phone, I for say the price too much. But when you combine this kind of feature with the design and all the upgrades when Tecno don add to the phone, I fit conclude say the price just dey fair. Or wetin you think? You think say the price for fit dey around 150k or maybe around 230k? Tell me wetin you think for the comment section. Remember to subscribe to this channel, like the video, and see you for my next video.